So all you're gonna, oh! This Sundae is going to solve all of your sugar cravings, and it's gonna help you lose 2 pounds per week. Keep watching if you want the recipe. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We got our brand spanking new Vitamix, and we're making nice cream. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rose. This is my mom. I have an online health and fitness coaching for women. Majority of our clients right now are my mom's age, 85 years old. So if you are tired of doing it all by yourself and want to work with me, link to my program is below. We are doing my updated May 2023 nice cream recipe. This for breakfast is seriously going to change your life. Let me just tell you, this tastes like a Frosty. This has 35 grams of protein. It's super low calorie and super filling. So what's gonna happen? You eat this, you're gonna feel full till lunch, and you're gonna forget about all those sugar cravings that you had. We're gonna show you how to make this right now. So first thing that you need is Vitamix. Funny story about our Vitamix. Broke down a little bit on Mother's Day.
That was my gift.
That was her gift. Happy Mother's Day. A nice cream with lots of chunks of cauliflower in. They last a really long time. That Vitamix that we had, we got it when we first went plant-based, which was probably 15 years ago. So they last. So get your Vitamix out, but any kind of blender will suffice. So blender, and then we've got our frozen cauliflower. This, everyone always asks me about this, but it fills the volume. So you're gonna be able to have a really large amount of ice cream for low calories, and you can't taste it, and it makes it creamy. So we're gonna measure out 74 grams of this cauliflower. And if you don't have a Trader Joe's, you can totally use any kind of frozen cauliflower or riced cauliflower. Don't need till too much. Put that back. I've been loving blueberries, and if you stay till the end of the video, we're gonna do a secret ingredient to give this flavor up a notch.
Oh, I don't know about the secret ingredient.
Well, I'm the master. What we're gonna do about 100 grams frozen blueberry. Mom's stomach's growling already. She's excited.
I'm very excited. I want to hear about the secret ingredient.
But this actually is gonna be our, we're gonna prep this for our breakfast tomorrow, because we only eat nice cream at breakfast time. And about 30 grams of frozen banana. So make sure to label it bananas in case you forget, but it's really helpful if you use rotting ripe bananas and they're brown. Next thing that we're gonna need is our protein pudding. Protein pudding is any kind of protein powder. Shout out to Amp Supplements, my favorite kind. You don't need protein powder. You can do it with our tofu pudding, but we're gonna show the protein powder version in this video. And if you are wondering, protein powder is going to damage your kidneys. It's not if you have normal functioning kidneys. If you're exercising like that, you can have it. If you're not exercising and you're sedentary, you don't need it. Let's chop our fruit. So we are going to put this on. Tamper, very important. Turn the speed up, chop this fruit, then we're gonna make the protein pudding. Okay, so we removed it from the blender. We just chopped it up. It's gonna look like this. So if you don't have a powerful blender like the Vitamix, you are gonna need some kind of wooden spoon or spatula to just kind of get it all nice and mixed. I'm gonna put this to the side. It's good to kind of have your fruit thawing while you do this, and we're gonna make our protein pudding. So we're gonna measure out as much protein as we need. I'm gonna do 1 scoop, which is 30 grams, and then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of water and make our pudding. What we'll do wrong is they will add protein powder directly to this, and then it's not gonna come together. Then you're gonna go add water to it, like my mom does, and then it's gonna become a smoothie, which is fine, but we are making thick, frosty consistency. Add too much water, this step is also gonna be ruined, but just add enough where you can make, thank you,
You're welcome.
a pretty thick cement type pudding. I promise this is not the game changer, so keep watching to the end of the video for the game changer.
I'm excited.
Oh,
I'm
you're excited.
You're holding back.
Uh-oh. See, I can't give all my secrets away.
Well,
that's the thing, is we give, you know, as many recipes out as possible, but even people that finally, like this one woman, shout out Susie if you're watching this, I know you are, she was following me for 2 years, she had all my recipes, but she didn't lose, you know, her 40 pounds until she joined the one-on-one coaching. So if you want more info on that, link is below. We're gonna put, hold this. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
We're gonna put the protein pudding in here, and then if you have a spoon, it is kind of helpful to just mix that all together, like so. And then we're gonna blend the nice cream, and you might need to stop and start it a little bit depending on how long you thawed your fruit for, just to get it to that super thick consistency without adding any more water. Okay, so while it's blending, all you're gonna do with this tamper is just mash it around like this. If I'm extra angry in the morning, I'll just go, just keep mashing it around. Obviously, it's gonna be coming together as we go, but you'll know it's done as soon as you see this. You're gonna see 4 quadrants form like so. Get under here. And it is gonna be so thick, and this entire thing is gonna be less than 250 calories. Okay, now comes the fun part, not the secret ingredient yet, but we're gonna make our toppings. So we're gonna do our salted caramel peanut sauce. I've been using it with coconut aminos and date paste. And then we're gonna do some crunchies. We're gonna get our 3, 2, 1 cookies, maybe a brownie, but let's make the peanut sauce first. So all you're gonna, hope no one saw that. Measure out, you can do anywhere between 12 to 20 grams, depending on how much protein you need. We're gonna do 12. Then we're gonna add in some date paste. But in a perfect world, the date paste would be right here, and you would add in a tablespoon. But we're gonna add coconut aminos in here. This is gonna give it that salty sweet flavor. And a little bit of water, okay? We're gonna do this. And little more water. Peanut butter powder is actually awesome because you can still get the same peanut flavor, but with like half the calories and more protein. Okay. Set that aside, and we're gonna get our 3, 2, 1 cookies. I love having a cookie on the nice cream. It's so good. This in here. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. It's Grace, here we go. Oh yes, oh yes. Now we're gonna do our crunchies. This is where it gets fun. We're gonna try not to make a mess. We're gonna do our crunchies. Crunchies. Oh, I forgot the secret ingredient.
Which I just found out myself.
A lemon. Chop this. This gives it a kick. So we're gonna squeeze this on here. These crunchies are gonna have about 12 grams of protein, so amazing. Then we are gonna pour our peanut sauce. Oh my gosh. We're making a mess. And then last but not least, we're gonna do a 3, 2, 1 cookie. These are amazing. This was our first YouTube video, but these are just 3 ingredient peanut cookies. So good.
I think I'm gonna have that for dinner.
And here we go. Nice spoonful, try it.
Mmm.
Yes.
I'm having this.
Perfect. About 50 grams of protein, low calories, gonna keep you full till lunch. Go try this out. I'll put the full recipe below. And thank you guys so much for watching our weekly videos. So exciting. I wonder what's gonna be next week. Who knows? We've got 400 total recipes, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comments if you try this, and we will see you later.